Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Tim McGonigal.
And I'm Shannon Newth. There are now at least 4,400 confirmed coronavirus cases in the U.S. with 77 deaths. As the numbers continue to grow, President Trump once again addressed the nation to discuss how the federal government is responding to the pandemic.
As national and state leaders strategize next steps, President Trump announced new guidelines for every American to follow over the next 15 days. Those include avoid gatherings in groups of 10 or more people and avoid travel or social visits unless necessary. The president also participated in a video conference with governors nationwide as some states raised concerns about a lack of emergency supplies and protective gear for those on the front lines.
We are also working very much on getting them the kind of equipment that they need, and for the most part, they either have it or they will be getting it.
Now, we have new numbers into the newsroom tonight from Montana. Governor Steve Bullock confirmed 2 additional positive cases of coronavirus in Montana. Here's what we know right now. 1 patient in Missoula County is a man in their 20s. The second case is a woman in Yellowstone County, also in their 20s.
According to a press release from Bullock's office, state and local public health labs no longer need to send presumptive positive samples to the CDC for confirmation. Health officials say they're following up with the 2 people to learn about their exposure risk, travel history, and to communicate with anyone who might have been in close contact with the patients. All patients will be isolated or quarantined.
Now, as of tonight, 311 Montanans have been tested for COVID-19. 9 total have now tested positive. One of those cases is a part-time Montana resident with no documented exposure or close contacts in Montana and was not tested in Montana.
Governor Bullock and his administration have issued directives to try to slow the spread of the disease in Montana.
I can't underscore the seriousness of following these measures to help our neighbors, friends, and families, and because their safety really is in all of our hands. We Montanans, we've always rallied together in times of crisis. There's no doubt that family schedules will be uprooted. Sacrifices are going to have to be made. But I think the time to act is really now before the spread of infection gets worse.
On Sunday, the Bullock administration took 3 major actions. All schools in Montana are closed through March 27th. Visitations to nursing homes are suspended. The governor is also recommending people refrain from holding or attending all gatherings of more than 50 people. State Medical Officer Greg Holzman said it's difficult to know how long these changes will be enforced or whether other actions are on tap. Lewis and Clark Public Health is ordering some local businesses to close to prevent the spread of coronavirus. The order covers food establishments like bars, breweries, casinos, and sit-down dining. The order doesn't apply to establishments with delivery, drive-through, or pickup services. Fitness centers, athletic centers, gyms, and workout studios are also closed by the order. It takes effect at 6 in the morning on Tuesday, March 17th. That'll remain in place until at least 8 in the morning on March 23rd. Silverboat, Missoula, Gallatin County all took similar actions today.